Yes. So how are you feeling right now after the dance?
Yeah,
Energetic,
feeling great.
superb,
Yes, ma'am.
feeling
Yes,
great,
ma'am.
right?
Hmm.
You know, why do I start every session with a lot of energy, with a high note of dance? Nowadays, why do I start each and every session with a lot of energy and with dance? Why? Because this is what I believe. Massive energy leads to massive success. Okay, so are you guys ready with your notebook and pen? And who is this Redmi Note 10S? So if you can switch on your camera, would you please switch on your camera, guys? Redmi. So Bhageshri, I can understand she is at the station. No problem. If there is one person, I'll be taking the session because you people have showed up for me. I'll also showing up like 100%. Right? And first of all, guys, thank you so much for joining the session, Susan and Redemai. You had a choice to be somewhere else, but you chose to be here in my session, right? And that really speaks volume about you. It shows your seriousness. It shows your dedication. That how serious you are, how dedicated you are about your growth, right? So what you have to do is take your hands like this, take your hands like this, and pat your back and speak after me. I am amazing.
I am amazing.
I am awesome.
I'm awesome.
मेरा तो जवाब नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं.
Yeah, मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं. I am awesome. I am amazing. Isn't it?
I am awesome. I'm amazing.
Yes, very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys. So why do I start every session with the dance? As I told you, massive energy leads to massive success because success needs energy. Success loves energy, and money loves energy, and I love energy. I love money, I love success. Isn't it? So that's why when we change our physiology, it changes our psychology. You know, sometimes it happens we are very sad, we are not very happy. So at that time when we change our physiology, so it changes your psychology. You start feeling better. If you feel better, you do better. If you do better, you know better. If you start getting better, if you start knowing better, you get better results, isn't it? Everything in this world is energy only. I love energy, so you also have to start loving energy, right? Because energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, it can be only transmitted. Okay, so slowly, gradually, we will be learning each and everything, right? So first, I'll be introducing myself. So you both know me very well, Susan and Bhageshiri, but I'll be starting from the beginning. That why did I start this journey? How did I start? How did it start? Okay. So it all started from the I'll be starting from the very beginning. First, I'll be introducing myself. Then I let you know how did I become life and mindset coach. How did it start? Okay. So my name is Poonam Taneja. I'm from Delhi, of course, Dilwalo ki Dilli. Right? And I'm the master specialist language trainer at IDQ Value Adder Academy, right? And where I help people to speak English fluently, correctly, and impressively. Until now, I have helped more than 5,000 people to speak fluently, correctly, and impressively. And apart from that, I'm the life and mindset coach as well, where I help people to work on their belief system and their mindset so that they can improve themselves in each and every aspect of their life, right? And now you might think, ma'am, how did it start? Because you were working at IDQ Value Adder, and you were teaching grammar, fluency, vocabulary kind of thing. So how did it turn up to the mindset coaching? So, you know, it all started from the very beginning when I was a child. The seed was already there that I was very ambitious, and I saw everywhere. Each and every women around me all were working. My mom, my masijis, my buajis, my all the mummies. I had seen each and every women around me working, right? So that was already there inside me that yeah, I'll also have to do something. I'll also, there was no option. It was crystal clear to me that I have to do something. I'll be becoming something, I'll be achieving something. I had a lot of desires in my life. So it started from a tiny seed because I was very ambitious. I'll be doing something in my life. Then I completed my MSc, I completed my B.Ed, and I became the uh, mathematics teacher. I became the teacher. And at that time, when I got married in 2004, so I was teaching Vedic mathematics as well. right? So I got married in 2004. And when I was a teacher, after my marriage, my first child, it was a miscarriage. Okay, so then my family members, my relative members suggested me that Poonam, you have to take rest, you have to think about the family planning, and then you can go ahead with your career and all, right? So one child happened, then another child happened, and for 15 years I was at home. I was picking up my kids, house chores, kitchen and all. For 15 years, 14 to 15 years, 2004 to 19, I was at home. Then my relatives, my family members used to say, Poonam, what have you done with your life? Why don't you start your career again? It's been 14 years. Okay, so what are you doing? You are MSc B.Ed. And what is the difference between you and others? If you are also doing the same thing what others are doing, so what is the difference between you and other people? Are you guys getting what I want to say? Right? So at that time, that thing was there. Yeah, I'll be doing something. Mindset was there that I'll be achieving something, I'll be doing something. Right? When they started saying that, Poonam, why don't you start your career again? Why don't you start your career again? Sometimes we need to be shaken, we need to be broken to be awakened, कि हम खड़े हो जाए. We need to be broken. कुछ लोग ना हमारे पास होने चाहिए जो हमें थोड़ा सा हिलाएं डुलाएं कि पूनम अब खड़ी हो जा, पूनम अब खड़ी हो जा. Because nothing changes if nothing changes, right? If you are doing the same thing again and again, again and again, again and again, you will see the same result. But if you want to create something different, if you want to see the different result, you will have to start doing something different, isn't it? उसके लिए आपको कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा. So that time, then came the turning point, 2020, Corona. Then Corona happened in 2020, February. So then what happened, I chose to be the student again, कि मुझे कुछ learn करना है. Because what I was lacking that time, I didn't have that good communication skill. I was struggling for my communication, I was struggling for my confidence, I was struggling for my courage. So I had so many issues. Then I started working upon my communication. I enrolled myself in some of the spoken English courses in 2020. Before that, though, I didn't know English ka E, communication ka C, courage ka C, clarity ka C. I didn't know all those things. So it all started in 2020. That was my turning point. Okay, so I enrolled myself in the spoken English courses. I completed one course, then I completed second course, and then I enrolled myself in IDQ Value Adder. Okay, so it was 2020. So I enrolled myself in DMP program and I became the coach. Okay, so sir said, Poonam, would you like to be the coach with us? So I was also looking for the opportunity. I said, yeah. I said, yes. So this is how my spoken English journey started and I became the coach. First, I started with the kids in 2020, and in 2021 January, I became the coach for adults as well. I started teaching grammar, fluency, vocabulary. That time when I started, I was teaching everything. Okay, so after that, when I was dealing with the people, when I was helping them to speak English, I realized people are not only struggling with the language, people are not only struggling with the English, they people are struggling with some other issues as well. Like they are struggling with their confidence, they are struggling with their clarity, they are struggling with their courage as well, right? So they had so many other issues as well. They had relationship challenges, they had emotions challenges, they had health challenges, career challenges, emotions. They had a lot of many other like financial challenges as well, money challenges. So I thought I want to help them in their mindset as well. Okay, so I had to help them. So what could I do that time? So I chose to be the student again. I chose to be the student again, and I enrolled myself in some of the personality development courses, and I enrolled myself in mindset coaching. Okay, so it all started in July 2024, and it's been 2 years now. I am helping people with their belief system, I'm helping them with their mindset. So, this is how my mindset and language coach journey started. It all started in 2020, and in 2024, I became the life and mindset coach as well. So, this is how my journey started. So, now I'm coming to the point. So, this session today, okay, so this segment will be divided into two parts. So, first, I'll be discussing about your problems. What are your problems? Why you have these problems? Okay, so from where all your problems are coming, right? because this is what I believe. People are not living their lives. People are living their belief system. You know what is belief system? What is belief system? Belief system is something that we repeat again and again, again and again, again and again. वो belief कैसे बनता है? Do you remember? You must have heard in your childhood from your parents कि जो काली बिल्ली होती है रास्ता काटती है ना तो something bad happens. Have you heard that thing? You
Yes.
must have heard कि वो चाबी नहीं खटकानी चाहिए, कैंची को ऐसे ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. You must have heard so many beliefs. So from where all those beliefs are coming? It comes from our past experiences. It comes from our childhood conditioning. It comes from our parents as well. Okay, so there are many reasons why we are having those beliefs. Okay, so beliefs, when we are what we are repeating again and again and again and again, that becomes the belief, right? That becomes the pattern of our life. And how can we change the pattern? Okay, so these patterns are negative patterns. बिल्ली रास्ता काटती है और ये कैंची नहीं खटकाना, ये सब negative beliefs है. And how we can change all these negative beliefs into positive? If we start repeating positive things. So in this way, we can change our negative beliefs into positive beliefs as well, right? So how do I help people? So first half an hour, we will understand where is the problem. For that, I'll be showing you your wheel of life. So what is this wheel of life? I'll be sharing my screen. So are you guys ready with your notebook and pen? Yeah, Susan, are you ready? Do you have your notebook and pen ready with you? So what you have to do is, let me share my screen. So you have to draw your wheel of life so that we can understand where is the problem, in which area of your life, whether it is health issue, wealth issue, emotions issue, or relationship issue, or your that career issue is there. First we will try to understand the issue, then I'll be giving you the solution. Okay, so then I'll be coming to the solution. So first let me share my screen. So what you have to do is, yes, hope my screen is visible. Is it visible? Yes, let me show you this. Is this wheel of life visible? So this you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
draw. First you have to draw a big circle. एक बहुत बड़ा सा circle. You can use any, plate or something, like something which is big circle. First you have to draw a very big circle. जिसको आप ना लास्ट में 10th नंबर दोगे, 10th. And after that, in the middle of this big circle, you have to make another 9 circles as well. You can start from the small one and you can start with the bigger one as well. Right? So this is your wheel of life. You have to draw 10 circles. And then you have to make a big plus का sign उसमें. जैसे बचपन में बनाते थे ना, x axis and y axis. X axis and y axis. So this is our x axis, this horizontal line, and this vertical line is your y axis. We used to draw this kind of pictures in our childhood. Okay, so you have to draw this kind of circles, and in that you have to make 8 segments, like personal growth, finance, family and friends, career, fun and recreation, romance and love, spirituality and health. You can start with the health up to spirituality. You have to divide it into 8 different segments. So what are we trying to do is, we are trying to figure out our problem. So first we have to draw this beautiful thing. Okay, so you can draw it beautifully after the session as well. You can use different crayons. You can use pencil colors as well. You can use different colors as well if you have some colors. So you can make it beautiful. It's up to you. So first you have to make these 10 circles, then you have to divide it into 8 segments, and for each and every segment you have to give it a name, right? So now we are starting from the health. Right? So look at the health. So on the count of 1 to 10, so what score would you like to give to your health? How is your health? What score would you like to give to your health? So is it perfect? Would you like to give it 10 on 10? like you don't have any physical issue, you don't have any pain, you are super duper fit, you are super duper strong, you are super duper energetic, you are taking balanced diet, you are taking nutritious food, you have everything related to, you are doing yoga, you are doing meditation, exercise, each and everything, you don't have any issue regarding your health. Okay, so your score will be 10, or it will be near to 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. It will be in the middle of 7 to 10. It's up to you. So whatever score you
Mom,
want to give, so you have to yeah, you have to give it the number as well. So see, the small circle is 1, then 2, then 3. Can you see these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to give the numbers as well. For each and every circle, you have to give the number. Right? Now look at this. Health.
mom, health means
Hmm.
overall physical, mental also.
Yeah, overall health, physical, mental, everything. Not spiritual. Spirituality, I'll be talking about. Physical health, mental health. Like you don't have any negativity, you are a positive person. So that is about your mental health, right? So if you are not fit, you are not strong, your muscles are weak, you don't have very strong body, you are not fit, you are not strong. So you will give it like 2 or 3 or 4, whatever you feel like. Like it will be less than 5. Now coming to the personal growth. Personal growth. Are you growing in your life? Are you learning something new daily? Are you growing? Are you learning? Are you trying something new on the daily basis? Or you are the same person? What you were yesterday, today also you are same, and tomorrow also there is no scope of improvement, there is no scope of growth. Because see, for complete 15 years, when I was at home, I was doing the same thing again and again, again and again, again and again. And I was living in a very small 1 BHK house, and that was a rented house. Let me share one more thing. When I got married in 2004, I belong to Sonipat, Haryana. Okay. So when I got married, I came here in Delhi, and I was living in a very small rented house, only 1 BHK. And हमारे घर के पास in front of my house there was a small house for sale. Okay, so that was available for sale, and the cost of that house was 3 lakh rupees. At that time in 2004, we didn't have 3 lakh rupees to buy that house. 20 साल पहले, 20-21 साल पहले, वो जो 3 लाख रुपए की भी मतलब बहुत वैल्यू होती थी, राइट? व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड इन 2004, वी डिडंट हैव इवन दैट 3 लाख रुपीज टू बाय दैट हाउस. And now the house in which I am living, this house I have purchased last year. I have purchased last year. And you know what is the cost of this house? The cost of this house is 3 crore rupees. Before 20 years, I didn't have 3 lakh rupees. And the house in how did I create? For 15 years complete, my life was not changing. Why my life was not changing? Because I was not doing anything different. When I started doing something different, my life started to change. Because nothing changes if nothing changes. If you are doing the same thing again and again, you will see the same result. If you want to create a different result, you will have to start doing different. You will have to think differently, right? So that I started doing when this 2020 came, and I enrolled myself in spoken English program and all. Then my growth journey started. I starting staying happy. Guys, happiness is very, very important. Why I am telling you all those things? Why happiness is important? Because see, when I was desperate, why I was desperate for 15 years, in back of my mind I was thinking ki nothing is happening, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, कुछ चल. I was very desperate. I was like hi, हो नहीं रहा है. I was being very desperate. Why I am not changing my life? Why I am not? Because if you are desperate, creation doesn't happen in desperation. Please write it down. Please make it a note of it. You can write it down in your notebook. Creation doesn't happen in desperation. If you are desperate, you are doing hi, हो नहीं रहा है, कर नहीं पा रही हूँ, you will not be able to achieve anything in your life. Happiness is very important. If you are happy, you will be able to create, you will become the magic, you will become magical, you will become charismatic. Everything comes with the happiness, everything comes with your energy, everything is your energy. What is your energy? What is your relationship with your own self? If your relationship with your own self is broken, you cannot create anything in your life. So happiness, this is the first emotional state which is very important. You know, two things are very important, two emotions are very, the first thing is happiness and second thing is gratitude. So that also we'll be talking about in our coming sessions. Okay, so happiness is damn important. You should be given the first priority. You have to keep yourself at the top. आपको खुद को, अपने आप को टॉप पे रखना है. इफ यू विल बी आस्किंग माई चाइल्ड, ओके सो राइट नाउ, कि हु इज योर फेवरेट, हु इज योर फेवरेट, दे विल से आई माई सेल्फ. इफ यू आस्क मी हु इज योर फेवरेट, माई आंसर वुड बी आई माई सेल्फ. But if you would have asked this question to me 5 years back, I would say, I love my husband, he is my priority. Okay, so kind of, who is my favorite person? So I'll say, like, my husband or my kids, I love my parents. So that kind of answer. But we have to keep ourselves on the priority because our relationship with our own self is broken. If our relationship with our own self is broken, we cannot create anything in our life. So who are you with you? So what should be your answer? I myself. I love myself the most. I am so self love is not selfish. It's not being selfish. Self love is very important. That also we'll be talking about, like, in detail. You know, on Women's Day, I gave a special session on self love, why it is important. It's very important. If you cannot love yourself, so you will be seeking love outside. You'll be waiting for the validation from outside. क्या मैं ये कर लूं, क्या मैं ये कर सकती हूँ? You will be like, kind of meow meow, like bhigi billi kind of. So how do you see yourself? What is your self esteem? What is your self worth? How do you see yourself? Who you are with you? Because you are going everywhere with you. When nobody is with you, you are with you. Okay, guys, so we
वो
are
ऊपर
going in a
लेकिन ये
different
निकाल के पूरा
direction.
बिल निकाल के पूरे साल का चेक कर लो, ठीक है?
Yeah, Sandeep, you are saying something?
ये सारा एक्सपेंस
Are you asking something, Sandeep? Okay,
ऊपर
let me
अमाउंट
mute.
है.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll be taking your questions later on. Yeah, let me share once again. So what I was showing you, how much score would you like to give for your personal growth? Personal growth. Are you growing? Are you learning something on daily basis? Because if we are not learning, we are dying. We are degrowing. You know, why did we come here on this planet Earth? Yeah, one more thing, very important. Yeah, I know that I'm going out of track today. Yeah, but all these things, what I have learned in last 2 years, I think everybody on this planet Earth should know all these things. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing. You know, what is the mission to come on this planet Earth? एक सोल का क्या मिशन है टू कम ऑन? व्हाई डिड वी कम ऑन दिस planet Earth? So there are three missions of us to come on this planet Earth. The first is to grow. Why did we come? We didn't come here to, you know, जैसे शादी करने के लिए और बच्चे करने के लिए, काइंड ऑफ, दैट वाज नॉट द पर्पस ऑफ आवर लाइफ. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ आवर लाइफ? द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ इज टू बी हैप्पी. हम यहाँ पे खुश होने के लिए आए थे, हम यहाँ पे कुछ क्रिएट करने के लिए आए थे. वी केम हियर टू ग्रो, वी केम हियर टू ट्राई, वी केम हियर टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. Right? So what are the three missions of a soul? The first mission is to grow, because if we are not growing, we are dying, we are degrowing. Second thing is to help another soul to grow. So what I am doing right now, I am helping another soul. First I am growing myself, so now this is my moral duty to grow another soul, to help another soul to grow. What they don't know, if I know something, I have to help them. So whatever you also know, कुछ भी आपको आता है ना, you don't have to waste, because we all come here with a unique gift. that we don't have to waste. And that is our third mission. First mission is to grow. Second mission is to help another soul to grow. And what is the third mission? The third mission is to use our own gift. जिस गिफ्ट के साथ हम पैदा हुए थे, अगर आपको कुकिंग अच्छी आती है, कुकिंग सिखाओ. आपको टीचिंग अच्छी आती है, यू हैव टू टीच कुकिंग. ओके, टीचिंग आपको अच्छी आती है. वट एवर यू ऑलरेडी नो, यू डोंट हैव टू वेस्ट ऑल दोज थिंग्स. with that particular thing you have to help another soul. वो आपको जाके लोगों को बताना है. These are the three missions: to grow, to help another soul, and use your own gift. Right? So that is your personal growth. So what score would you like to give to your own self for your personal growth? Right? And now the third thing. If you think that you are growing, so your score will be near to 7 to 10. But if you think that you are not growing, you are not learning anything, so it will be less than 5. It could be 2 or 3 or 1, whatever you feel like. So you better know your own self. कि आप ग्रो कर रहे हो या आप ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हो लाइफ में. Are you learning something? You know, in 2026, my goal is to read 12 books. I don't know when was the last time when I read so many books. ओके, सो मुझे लगा कि मुझे मिशन बनाना चाहिए 2026 में, अदरवाइज आई एम नॉट ग्रोइंग, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू ग्रो. सो टिल नाउ इन जनवरी आई रेड द बुक द ग्रेटेस्ट सीक्रेट ऑफ मनी, रिलेशनशिप एंड emotions. Okay, that was the book of Rhonda Byrne. Second month, in the month of February, I read the book The Hero. Third month, in the month of March, I read the book The Power. And fourth month, I'll be reading the book The Magic. Okay, so that I'll be discussing. Okay, so in 2026, my two goals, first is my health goal. So that's why I enrolled myself in 2026 in some, health programs as well. In the month of January, I took that program, Fit Bharat Mission. I'm the part of that Fit Bharat because that is my priority for 2026. That I have to grow my career, I have to grow my finance, and I have to grow my health as health is my top priority. January, February, March, these 3 months, top priority health. And now my second priority. Okay, so that is career. So now, if you are growing, give yourself 7 to 9, otherwise less than 5. Now the next is finance. How do you see your finances? Are you fully satisfied? Are you satiated with your finances? Are you contented with your finances? How is your relationship with money? Finance. How is your finance? Are you satisfied with the money that you have? Are you satisfied with the bank balance that you have? Or you are struggling to make money? You are not very happy. Whenever you see your bank account, you are not very happy. So that is your finance. So if you are satisfied, so you can give how much satisfied you are, 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. If you are not satisfied, so less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are the better judge. कि आप कहाँ देखते हो आपका finance कितना है, क्या है, कितना strong है. Yes, Bhageshri, Sandeep, and who is this? Bees. You can switch on your camera if you want. Yes. So the next one. Next one is family and friends. How many family or like how is your relationship with your family? How is your relationship with your friend? How many friends do you have? Do you have friends or not? And how is your relationship with your friend? Do you go to meet them? Do they come to meet you? How is your relationship with your family? Do you have fun in your family? Do you have beautiful relationship with your family members? Do you have fun and laughter in your family, with your kids, with your husband, with your in-laws? How is your relationship with your family members, with your friend? Do they come to you? Do you come to them? Do you go to them? So you have to see for yourself. How is your relationship? How is your relationship with the family? Do you have fun, laughter, all these things? So you will give yourself 7 to 10, otherwise less than 5. So it's up to you. Right? So now the next one, career. Where do you stand in your career? Are you satisfied? What kind of career you have? What kind of money you are making? Are you satisfied? Do you feel that you are heard? Do you feel that you are seen? कि आपको, डू यू फील दैट यू आर रिस्पेक्टेड, डू यू फील दैट यू आर लव्ड एट योर वर्क प्लेस? It's okay if you are not a working professional. Let's say if you are a homemaker. Are you satisfied with whatever you are doing? Like you are doing cooking, you are doing house chores, you are taking care of your care. That is your work. It's not about working professional or homemaker. Whatever you are doing, are you happy with that? Are you happy with that? Are you satisfied with that? Do you feel seen? Do you feel yourself that you are heard? कि आपको लोग पूछते हैं, do you feel that you are loved, you are seen, you are respected? अगर आपको लगता है कि yes, I am seen, I am respected, I am loved, so give yourself more than 7 or 8, 9, 10, whatever you feel. Otherwise, जैसे आपको घर में you feel that I am neglected by my, by my kids, by my husband, they don't respect me, they don't love me. Okay, so every time I have to seek the validation for small small things, कि मुझे उनसे पूछना पड़ता, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड, सो यू विल गिव योर सेल्फ लेस देन 5. एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज फन एंड रिक्रिएशन. Fun and recreation. Next one, fun and recreation. Do you have fun in your life? Do you do some recreational activities? Do you play game? Do you go outside? Do you go for movie? Do you go for do you go with the family for travel? Are you doing all those things? Do you have laughter in your life? Do you enjoy with your family? Do you have freedom? Do you have fun? Do you have laughter? So for fun and recreation, what is recreation like? Do you play games? Do you go for movies? Or do you travel? Do you have all those things in your life? So accordingly, you have to give the score. Now, what is the next thing? After fun and recreation, after fun and recreation comes your romance and love. Romance and love. Again, so do you have love in your life? It could be from your relatives, it could be from your family members, it could be from your friends, or it could be your like colleagues. Do you think that your colleagues also like love you, that they love your presence, they love your aura, they love your visibility, that they love your presence? And do you have romance in your life? Or 24 घंटे किट पिट with wife, with the husband, that is going on in your life. So you have to see for yourself कि लाइफ में रोमांस है, आपके रिश्ते अच्छे हैं, नहीं हैं. Do you travel with your husband? Do you go for movie with your husband? Do you have romance in your life or not? So how is your relationship with your husband? Is it a beautiful relationship, or is it like, no, it's not that great? So you have to see for yourself what's going on in your life. Accordingly, you have to give the score. Now, the next thing. The next thing is, I think the last one, spirituality. Spirituality. What is spirituality? Spirituality is not about going to temple or mosque or gurdwaras or like wherever you want to go. It's not like that. Spirituality is about your inner growth. What is inner growth? Inner growth is about your alignment. Alignment, again, your relationship with your own self, your relationship with your soul. So how do you see yourself? Do you feel broken? Do you feel resilient? कि आप जल्दी से कुछ आपको feel हुआ कि do you feel that you can come back as soon as possible? Do you feel triggered? That means you are not healed, right? Throughout your life you are just blaming and complaining and criticize. He's like that, she is like that, this is because of him, this is because of them, this is because of that. You are doing all those things. That means you are not fully grown. You need to work upon your spirituality. That is about your inner growth. That is about your alignment, where you don't focus on your pain, you focus on your power. You don't focus on your confusion, you focus on the clarity. You don't focus on your fear, you focus on the courage. You don't focus on the negativity, you focus on positivity. You don't focus on your wounds, you focus on your wisdom. So how do you see yourself? Do you see yourself that, yeah, I have grown, I have grown in last few years or last 3 months? So guys, see, yesterday it was 1st April. Okay, so yesterday it was 1st April. I wanted to start this session from 1st April, right? Because we are starting the new financial year. So every 3 months. So for me, it's not 1st April. For me, it's 1st January that I have to start again. This is my new year. Every 3 months, whenever I enter in the next 3 months, so I think of myself that I am entering in the new year. So for me, it's not 1st April. I wanted to start yesterday, but yesterday it was my daughter's birthday. So I thought of starting today, 2nd April. For me, this is my new year, the new financial year. So what is my goal for these 3 months? Okay, so I think you have given the score for each and every element of this, each and every aspect of your life. So this is your wheel of life. Yeah, thank you so much. Who is this? I want to see you. Who is this? Yeah. Okay, so let me show you once again this. Yeah. So now what you have to do is, I hope you are done with your score. Yeah, Bani. Yeah, hi, Bani. Happy to see you.
Hi,
Okay.
Poonam. So
Yeah, hi,
nice to have
dear.
you met. Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you
So,
hiding behind this black dabba? I want to see your lovely, beautiful face. You have to show up fully 100% attention.
yeah, I was just
Right?
having dinner actually. So I just
Okay.
finished the dinner. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now what you have to do is, I hope you are done with that. I hope you have marked these dots, right? So now what you have to do is, you have to join these dots. Okay. So you have to join these dots. Let's see. Yeah. So I'll also be joining these dots with you all. Yes. So how you have to join? Like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. So I am also joining the dots with you. Yes. Have you all joined the dots? Have you all joined the dots? So what do you see on your screen? What do you see on your paper? How does it look like? Does it look like a wheel, or does it look like a square, or does it look like a hexagon, or does it look like a India ka map, or Africa ka map, or what like? How does it look like? So
Ma'am,
this is your wheel of life.
it looks like that spider का home होता है ना.
How does it look like? Sorry.
वो spider को वो जाली होता है ना, net. It
Okay,
looks like
spider
a
के net की तरह लग रहा है. Okay, okay. And what about Bani? How does it look like?
Just like as Susan said, no, it looks like a very uneven, like a web.
yeah.
Yes. So see
Oh,
now.
wait.
Yeah, was it a bulb on for you? This is the life. This is your life. So now you got to know, where do we need to work upon? Where we have to work upon. So in which area of your life you have got very less score? It could be your career, it could be your health, or it could be your finance. So you have to see for yourself. You have to pick up the 3 areas where you need to work upon, because this is your wheel of life.
Mm.
How
Correct.
many wheels a car? How many wheels a car has? A car has 4 wheels, right? So let's say one wheel of the car is flat. So will it go smoothly? No. It will not go smoothly. It will give you the jerk. It will give you the jerk again and again, again and again. So guys, life is not the full of roses. It will give you, it is full of up and downs, right? So this is your wheel of life. So now you have to pick up the 3 areas. Now I'm coming to the solution. So the first segment of the session was the problem. So now you know that this is my problem. So you have to pick up the
Anika,
3 areas of your
आपने क्या
life,
पीना है?
right?
Cold coffee?
So you have to pick up the 3 areas of your life कि यहाँ पे मुझे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है. See for yourself कि किसमें आपको बहुत, you have got very less scores. You got 2 marks, 4 marks, or 5 marks. So you have to pick up 3 areas and you have to write down. that these are the 3 areas where I need to work upon. And out of these 3 areas, you can pick up 3 as well कि मुझे इन तीनों पे काम करना ही करना है. So next 3 months, April, May and June, I want you to create your new identity that yes, I have to work upon these 3 areas. So let's say you are choosing health कि मेरी health अच्छी नहीं है. I need to work upon my health. So what is going to be your new identity for your health? That I have to be healthy. What is going to be your new identity? So for me, for January, February, March, it was my health. Okay, so that was at my top priority. This was the first at the top. Health was my first priority. So in the month of January, on 1st January, I chose health, that I have to do something for my health, and I enrolled myself in some health programs. I enrolled myself in Fit Bharat Mission. I started doing yoga, exercise. I did that detox. Okay, so I followed all those things. And I have seen tremendous improvement in my health, because due to long sitting hours, I was facing some, health challenges, back issues, and shoulder pain and all. I was facing that issues. But when I enrolled, because see, why we have health issues, why we have relationship issues, why we have emotions issues, why we have money, because we need to learn certain lessons. If you don't learn the lesson, so how can you improve? Let's say you have some health issues. That means you need to work upon your health. You need to learn certain lessons. Let's say I have some, relationship issues. That means I need to learn some relationship lessons that we were not taught in our school days, in our college days. किसी ने नहीं पढ़ाया. Did somebody teach you that how you have to build your relationship with your husband? Did somebody teach you how you have to build a beautiful relationship with your loved ones? How you have to build the relationship with your in-laws? How you have to build the relationship with your kids? Did somebody teach you in your school days, in your childhood days? No. We need to learn certain lessons. Right? So why we have anger issues, why we have guilt issues, why we have fear issues, why we have courage issues, why we have clarity issues, why we have confidence issues. Nobody taught you all those things in our school and college. So we need to learn emotion lessons. We need to work upon our emotions. Earlier, I was also the relationship disaster. I was also the emotionally disaster person. I was a completely disaster. I started working upon that. I started working upon my health. I started working upon my relationships. All the relationships with my in-laws, with my husband, and with my kids, I was struggling a lot. I was always blaming, complaining, criticizing. My life is not improving. मैं कितने छोटे से घर में रहती हूँ, एक कमरे का मकान है. मतलब मेरे को इतना कंप्लेंट्स आना कि मेरे इन लॉज इतने अच्छे घर में रहते हैं और मैं कहाँ पे मुझे लाके पटक के रखा है और काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो दैट्स व्हाई माय लाइफ वाज नॉट इंप्रूविंग. When I started appreciating everything, whatever I had in my life, because what you appreciate appreciates in your life. So please write it down. What you appreciate appreciates in your life. That is the truth. If you are grateful for what you have, the God, the universe will give you more reasons to be grateful for. So for next 3 months, you have to create your new identity, because you cannot create the new identity, new reality with your old mentality. Right? So if you want to create new reality, you will have to work upon your old mentality. Because if you are doing the same thing again and again, you will get the same result. Right? So for next 3 months, whatever areas you have chosen for yourself, health के आगे लिखो I have to be healthy. Right? And you have to create the new routine. What are the things I'll be doing for next 3 months? Because you will have to create some routine as well. Okay, so earlier I used to sleep late. I started sleeping on time. I started getting up in the morning so that I can do some rituals. I can do some, exercise, yoga. 7 to 8. It is fixed for my rituals. So what kind of rituals I am doing? I'm doing some affirmations, I'm doing some journaling, I'm doing some gratitude. That is fixed for me. And that is my inner work. That is mandatory for me. I cannot live without my inner work. I cannot grow without my inner work. We have to be stable in our footing. If we are not stable in our footing, we cannot create the magical life. If you really want to become the magical, if you want to become the a magnet, if you want to magnetize the people, the kind of people you want, the kind of things you want, the kind of situations you want, the kind of life you want, how can you become? So you have to start working on. You have to create your new identity. You have to create that new routine. You have to build some rituals for you, what you will be starting doing. Okay. So as for health, I chose I have to be healthy. For career, I have to be massive action taker. I have to be massive action taker. I have to be massive action taker. So I had a choice. I didn't know how many people will be joining. I could easily say, Susan, जने ने join किया, so I'll not be. I had a choice, but I promised to myself that whether somebody joins or not, if there is no person, then although I will be delivering the session. I'll be doing my damn work. Because this is what I believe. Keep your head down and do the damn work. Because the work always works. Keep your head down and do the damn work. Because the work always works. So when I chose career for these 3 months, April, May, June. So for April, May, June, the career is my top priority. And what is my new identity? Massive action taker, massive action taker, massive action taker, massive action taker. I'll be taking a lot of actions. I'll be making so many reels. I'll be improving my social media presence. I'll be starting my paid ads as well. I'll be creating meta ads so that I can reach to maximum people. Because I have to help people. I have to help. And that is my promise to myself. This year I have to help that much people. So that is my promise to myself. I have to give value. I have to give value. I have to give value. Right? So so you have chosen for yourself. Now you have to create the new identity and you have to build the new ritual. So what you will be starting doing from tomorrow onwards or today onwards. Okay. So now slowly, gradually, I'm coming to the solution. Now the next thing. So what we will be starting from tomorrow, I'm giving you the permanent solution that created, magic in my life. Something magical I'll be sharing in these 4-5 days. So if you want to continue for next complete 1 month, that is your choice. That also I'll be sharing like how the journey is going to be, right? So the thing that created magic in my life, this is this magic. When I started reading this book. Although I have read this book 4 to 5 times with my community members and with my, paid members as well. Okay. So next 5 days, what I will be doing is we will be reading this book. In this book, there are total 28 chapters, but this is not the reading book. This is the doing book. So we can't say कि मैम ये book तो मतलब you just recommend this book and we will be reading by our own. You can purchase this book and you can read by your own as well. But you cannot create the magic by your own. You will need some hand holding. You will need some support as well. For that, I will be helping you how you have to go ahead. Right? So one by one, we will be reading. So in this book, there are total 28 chapters. Let me show you because today we have to start this book. I'll be introducing the book and tomorrow onwards, we will, in this book, each and every word, we have to read each and every word, each and every word, each and every line, each and everything is magical. But that you cannot understand by your own. Okay, तो उसमें आपको support, उसमें आपको hand holding चाहिए. Right? So I'll be showing you. So let me show you the book. Okay, so do I have your permission? Can we continue the session for 10-15 minutes? Up to 10-15? Permission granted? So write in the chat, PG, permission granted. For 10-15 minutes. Because I have to set the context for today's session. Yeah, thank you, dear. So let me share my screen once again. So what we will be doing in coming few days. Look at this. So this is the book. Okay. So although I'll be sharing you the book in the WhatsApp group, New Me 2.0, you all are the part of that New Me 2.0 group. So I'll be sharing the PDF of the book group. But this is highly recommended that you should have this book physically. You have to purchase this book. And this book is like, जैसे हमने भागवत गीता, this book is like Bhagavad Gita, this book is like Quran, this book is like, Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, so this book is magical. Everybody on this planet earth should have this book, and you have to read this book multiple times, not only one time, and within few days. And that is my guarantee, within 3-4 days you will start seeing and something happening, something magical starting happening into your life. How I have created magic इन लास्ट 2 years, कैसे क्रिएट किया, वो 3 लाख से वो 3 करोड़ वाला विद इन 2 years. अदरवाइज तो फॉर कंप्लीट 15 years माई लाइफ वॉज कंप्लीटली सेम, नथिंग हैपनिंग, बिकॉज nothing happens if nothing happens, isn't it? Nothing changes if nothing changes, right? So you have to you have to do something deliberately, you have to put some cautious effort so that you can change your life, you can create something, right? So let me share. So how we will be doing now, I'll be introducing the solution for whatever problems you have written, whatever scores you have given to your career, finances, your health, or romance, or love, or whatever it is for you. So let me share. This book has created tremendous magic in my life. So this is the only book. So I was able to create from 3 lakh to 3 crores. So let me show you. And we will be reading it. Okay. So I'll be setting the context for today, and tomorrow onwards we will go into deep. We will go deeper into this. The magic. So this is something really magical. जैसे नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, the magic. Okay. So this book is written by the Rhonda Byrne. Actually, there is this series of the book, and the first book she wrote is The Secret. So I'll be giving you some homeworks as well. Okay, so stay tuned with me up to the end. So the magic. This book is written by Rhonda Byrne. So what is she saying? Look at this. This is something beautiful. One word changes everything. One word changes. I hope this book is visible to all of you. Is it visible, Sue? Is it
Yes,
visible, or should I increase the font?
No, it's
Let me
fine, ma'am.
see if I
It's
can.
okay.
Yeah, let me increase the size. I hope this is better now. Okay. So one word changes everything. For more than 20 centuries, words within a sacred text have mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by almost all who read them. Only a very few people through history have realized that the words are a riddle, and that once you solve the riddle, once you uncover the mystery, a new world will appear before your eyes. Okay, so in this book there is this riddle. I'll be giving you the riddle. Okay, so एक पहेली से शुरू होती है ये book. I'll be giving you the riddle, and till tomorrow you have time, 24 hours. Okay, so you have to figure out the solution of that riddle. You have to find out what is this riddle all about, what this riddle is all about. Okay, so you have to find out what is this riddle all about. तो आपको उसको solution ढूंढ के लाना है. Okay, Sue and everyone. सो फॉर मोर देन 20 centuries से वो जो रिडल है ना, वो किसी को समझ, इट वॉज मिस्टिफाइड. वो सबके लिए एक रहस्य था, वो सबके लिए एक पहेली थी कि ये एवरीबडी वॉज सो कंफ्यूज. व्हाट इज दिस ट्राइंग टू टेल अस? Everybody was so confused, and this riddle was misunderstood by so many people. वो किसी को समझ में नहीं आया कि वो riddle है क्या. Okay, so I'll be giving you that riddle. First you have to try by your own. इसका solution ढूंढ के लाना है. Then we will be talking today, tomorrow. So in the magic, Rhonda Byrne reveals this life-changing knowledge to the world. Then on an incredible 28-day journey, she teaches you how to apply this knowledge in your everyday life. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic is going to change your entire life. This magic is going to change your entire, and I have seen people creating magic in their life tremendously, in their health, in their wealth, in their, in their relationship, in their emotions, in their career, in their finances, in their money thing. They have created, I myself have created, as I told you, in last 2 years. It was like truly magical. You know, something happened just now. Let me share one instance with you all. You know what happened? Avina, just now, I'm talking about last month only. And that was really magical. Or you know, छोटे छोटे magic. When you will start reading that magic book, आपको लगेगा यार वाओ ये हो कैसे रहा है. You will start getting people, you will start getting circumstances, you will start getting some situations, and you will feel like yaar, how is it happening, how is it happening. You know, last month I gave myself a target that I have to create this money, this amount of money through coaching. Okay, I have to make this money. And but I was not able to create that. But universe knows everything. Okay, because I'm very much aligned with this universe. You know what happened? My husband came on that particular when I was setting that intention that I have to create this amount of money in next month. So my husband came and my husband told that मुझे ना increment मिला. So I said, wow, congratulations, very nice, good to know. And I said, कितना मिला? So he said me the amount. And I was like, oh my God. I was like, wow, that was the same amount that I was thinking of creating by my own. तो यूनिवर्स बोला कि वाह यार मतलब मिल गया तथास्तु यूनिवर्स ऊपर से तथास्तु पूनम हो गया यू डोंट हैव टू क्रिएट आई हैव गिवन यू द सेम अमाउंट एवरी मंथ यू विल बी गेटिंग द सेम अमाउंट you don't have to create you have created by just only the manifestation and you will also start seeing these small things coming your way. This is something really magical, guys. Okay, so let me share once again. Yeah. So that is one thing that is going to change everything in your life. The magic. So today is the first day, so that's why it is taking a long time. So because I have to set the context for the session that what we will be doing from tomorrow, right? So now see, by this means you will acquire the glory of the whole world. By this, by this magic book, you will acquire the glory of the whole world. You will acquire the abundance of the whole world by reading this book only. By not only reading, by applying the teachings of this book into your life, by practicing daily with me. I'll be guiding you, I'll be hand holding you what you have to do. Okay, now the next what she is saying, so she's setting the intention for us. So dedicated to you. Rhonda Byrne is saying that this book is dedicated to you. May the magic open up a new world for you and bring you joy for your entire existence. This is my intention for you. That is my intention for you and for the whole world. That the way I have created the magic in my life, you also create the magic in your life. You know, Rhonda Byrne is a person, usko na she had some health issues. उसको कैंसर हो गया था सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मैजिक प्रैक्टिस ओनली शी क्योर्ड herself from that cancer. So that was also really magical. So you can create magic in the health, in the wealth and everything. This we will be reading tomorrow. Okay, acknowledgement. Yeah. And I'll be showing you the chapters, what we are going to read one by one. What are the chapters? Yeah, this I want to show you. Then we will end the session for today. What we will be reading. Do you believe in magic? The first chapter. Okay, the first chapter starting from here, but these things also, for setting the context, all these things are also very important. Do you believe in magic? But if you don't believe in magic, you will not see the magic. So first you have to start believing in. If you don't believe in the magic, it's okay, fine. Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. Aapko, when you will start small things changing in your life, you will start believing. Tab tak ke liye you just have to fake it कि ठीक है हाँ magic होता है. You will start believing within few days. And a great mystery is revealed. I told you na कि वो there is this mystery, so there is this riddle that I'll be asking you. Bring the magic into your life. You will create the magic in your life. A magical book. Count your blessings. So we will start counting. First, we have to count our blessings. So how blessed we are. So we will be writing. The second thing is magic rock, magical relationship. We will build magical relationships. Our all the relationships will become magical. Our all like our health will become magical. Our money part also will be sorted. Works like magic. Our career will become magical. The magical way out of negativity. You will become a positive person from negativity. You will change your pain into power, your wounds to wisdom, your confusion to clarity. The magic ingredient, the money magnet, magic dust, everyone. You will be heal. You will be able to heal people. Those who are not with you, those who are sitting outside, those who are in abroad or somewhere else. Okay, so you will be able to heal those people as well with the help of magic dust practice. A magic morning, how you can make your magic like morning magical, right? So all these things we are going to read. Magical people who made a difference. Make all your wishes come. Your all the wishes will be true. Have a magical day. How you can make your days magical. Magically heal your relationship. Magic and miracles in your health. You will see the miracles in your health. The magic check, the magical to-do list, magic footstep, heart magic, and one of my favorite chapters, magic magnificent outcomes. और दिस प्रैक्टिस ने तो दिस कंप्लीटली चेंज माय लाइफ. मैं कहीं पे जाने से पहले ही मेरी लाइफ में मैजिक हो जाता है. राइट, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ पावर दिस बुक हैज. Before your very eyes, everything is there in front of your eyes, but you are not able to recognize. But once you do all these practices slowly, gradually, you will be able to recognize, you will be able to identify, okay, so this was a thing, this was a thing. So this situation was trying to teach me this thing, right? So instead of saying, why me, you will start saying, what's for me? What is this situation trying to teach me? What I need to learn from here? So God will give you the wisdom to identify the things, right? So cue the magic because everything is there in front of your eyes only. Magically transform mistakes into blessings. The magic mirror. So these are the practices that we have to do like one by one, right? So that we will be starting from tomorrow. So this is a one stop solution for all your health, relationship, emotions, career, or money problems, whatever problems you are facing in your life, right? So for complete 5 days you have to be with me so that I can guide you how we have to proceed and how we have to go ahead, right? Okay, so now let me stop recording.